Welcome to the show Coffee with CEO by CEO Club Pakistan and Management House. And today, the CEO sitting next to me in the CEO seat is Adil Munawar, who's the partner for M&M Pharma. And before saying salam to him, I would like to tell you guys that he is the largest importer of biologicals in Punjab and third largest in Pakistan. And he is the guy who is importing all the vaccines and serums. तो आपको जितने ये सब सितारा और जितना आपको पोलियो वैक्सीन्स नजर आती हैं, ये हमारे पास M&M Pharma की वजह से ही होता है. So please welcome Adil Munawar to Coffee with CEO. How are you, Adil?
I'm fine, thank you. Thank you.
Thank you for doing all this for us कि आप हमारे पाकिस्तान को इतनी ज़्यादा सही medicines देते हैं और इतनी बड़ी तादाद में देते हैं.
Thank you.
So please tell us more about these serums and vaccines which you are importing.
Yeah. Actually, we are importing the biologicals, and one of the major vaccines which is coming in Pakistan is diphtheria, the typhoid vaccine, and the COVID vaccine for PEDS, for the children.
Oh.
So we are working on the COVID vaccine for children, and will be the first one to introduce it in Pakistan, and we are the first one to introduce the typhoid conjugate vaccine in Pakistan. And we are the first mover to get the diphtheria vaccine in Pakistan. So these three vaccines are imported by the M&M Pharma in Pakistan for betterment of mankind and children.
So what was happening when M&M Pharma was not importing? Because these are the diseases जो हमारे साथ नस्लों से जुड़े हुए हैं.
Actually, earlier the typhoid, as you know, COVID is a very recent episode. So the COVID vaccine is a new vaccine.
None.
And the typhoid conjugate vaccine is also a new vaccine which came like 2 to 3 years back.
Right.
Before that, there is only typhoid vaccine.
Okay.
Now this is the conjugate vaccine, the new formulation.
So the new formulation.
The updated version.
Technology.
The updated version.
Okay.
And similarly, the diphtheria is also a new epidemic in Pakistan in 2015 and 16.
Oh.
So the DTP is also introduced like in 2015-16 in Pakistan.
And the birth control medicines?
These are actually, they are the medical devices and medicines. These are since from 20 years, 25 years, but the manufacturer is very limited.
Oh, okay. So this means that the diseases are old, but you are bringing the new medicines.
The updated versions. Just
version.
Like new models of the cars, and this is updated version of medicine.
Okay, and you are doing the institutional sales, and your supplier or your customer is the government. So please, why don't you elaborate on this?
Actually, the vaccine market in Pakistan is very different from the marketing and commercial point of view.
Okay.
The government of Pakistan is working very good and in high spirits, and they are distributing free medicines and free vaccines to the kids. Just we see the polio workers, they came door to door, and they and similarly the COVID vaccine, government of Punjab and Pakistan usko free laga rahe the. And the similar cases with the typhoid, you see the recent messages in your SMS that there are campaign running by the government of Pakistan on typhoid, and they are doing the free campaign in schools, and the children ask for the NOC from their parents to get vaccinated. So in Pakistan, the government is the largest buyer of vaccine.
So let's talk about the dark side. For example, yes, you guys are doing it in Lahore, Islamabad, Pindi, but what about Chichawatni, Dera Ismail Khan? When you are doing all these campaigns to the smaller villages or smaller areas, how do you confirm that the medicines are delivered to the right people?
Actually, I'm telling you, the procurement of vaccines is very systematic.
Okay.
The government of Pakistan procuring them at 4 levels. One is the federal level.
Okay.
The second one is at the provincial levels. So we, being the importer and a businessman, we give the vaccines at central level. We just give them all demand in Lahore, and they distribute. Government of Pakistan and government of Punjab is responsible for the distribution of the vaccines in every center. So there are EPIs and BHUs in every district and cities.
Do you play any role in checking it out? That
No. I'm a businessman. I'm a businessman. I just sell my medicine.
That's all.
Okay,
that's on their shoulder.
Government issue.
So, but who gives the demand?
The departments.
The department gives you the demand, and you give them the medicine.
Yes.
Okay. Now tell me more about the role of international bodies, because whenever I'm looking at polio, when I'm looking at other medicines, usually there are donors behind those medicines as well.
Very true.
Globally, and especially in the countries like Pakistan. What's your say on that?
Very true. Actually, the government of Pakistan is co-financing the vaccines procurement.
Oh.
The 80%, 70% share is from the donor agencies.
Really? So
that is Gavi, Melinda Gates, and different donors, UNICEF, different donors.
Okay.
But then on the other side, on a business side, M&M Pharma is just supplying medicines, and the government of Pakistan giving us the price, they are ensuring the payments. So but the government of Pakistan is working on co-financing. कुछ गावी दे रहा है, कुछ यूनिसेफ दे रहा है, कुछ उसको जो है ना गवर्नमेंट खुद दे रही है.
There is a very strong donor side. So you are importing the birth control medicines as well.
That is the other segment run by M&M
Okay.
Pharma. M&M Pharma running 3 segments. One is the biological and vaccines.
Okay.
That is purely vaccines.
Done.
The other one is the medical devices.
Done.
In which this birth control contraceptives falls.
Okay.
So the medical devices, there are a wide range of contraceptives which we are supplying to the all provinces.
So population is the major problem of Pakistan.
Yes, it's-
so if they are putting up the demand of 100 contraceptives, do you think so that you give that to them, then they are able to deliver and people are using them?
Then again, it's the other side.
Okay.
That is a government side.
Okay.
That is nothing to do with M&M Pharma.
Okay.
M&M Pharma just supply them the required medicines,
Okay.
and we get our money, we get our cash, and bye.
That's a, by the way, very good answer because you are telling the truth.
Yeah.
And that's the core of entrepreneurship. Might be बहुत सारे लोग ये कहीं इसने ऐसे कह दिया, but मुझे लगता है ये सच्ची बात है because you are the businessman ना. अच्छा, but मुझे ये बताइए कि इन सालों में इन contraceptives की डिमांड गवर्नमेंट की तरफ से बढ़ी है?
Yes, day by day,
Okay.
जो है वो इस पे you know that the last I think 2022 was the declared as the population bomb for Pakistan.
Yeah.
There's Saqib Nisar, the Chief Justice Saqib Nisar have taken this initiative, and he just declared and he coined the terminology population emergency. So Pakistan was a high risk country
Okay.
in terms of population growth. So the government worked very hard, and the donors also worked very hard. They are procuring the contraceptives in billion of rupees.
Okay.
So like we are supplying contraceptives in huge amount.
Good, huge amount.
Yeah. Like we are supplying to government of Sindh, government
Okay.
of Pakistan, government of Punjab. We supply to GB, Gilgit-Baltistan.
Oh, that's
So-
the area we should be supplying to,
Yeah.
I guess.
So government is doing good work for the contraceptives and vaccines.
So no plans to come to retail? Institutional, I understand you are, but don't you think not these medicines might be something else, and you can import as
We
well?
are retailing as well, like the Green Star Marketing.
Okay.
Just, in Urdu we say Sab Sitara. They are a national distributor.
Yes.
The CSM is also as a NGO
Okay.
that Mary Stops working like Mary Stops. They are also our national distributors. So we are marketing some products, contraceptive products in market that you can find online and the pharmacies. But now we are moving with the multinational companies as our marketing partners in Pakistan
Very
for
good.
vaccines.
That's
so
what my
inshallah in next 6 months we will be in market with vaccines.
So there is a lot of hue and cry about cosmetics things, and then there are aesthetic things, and there are so many other new portions of pharma
Derma,
as well.
yeah.
Derma, and then this bio and organic together. So do you have any plans to include more type of medicine into your portfolio?
Just we are working on the vaccines. Like recently, we are our upcoming vaccine will be the pneumococcal conjugate vaccine,
Okay.
which will be the new formula for the pneumococcal influenza.
Oh.
So we are also working on a typhoid vaccine. Actually, the WHO have warned Pakistan. The donor UNICEF also warned Pakistan that there is a typhoid outbreak due to the food handlers.
No.
Yeah, food handlers. Once we have tikke kebab and we are having a restaurant, they have no scrutiny for the typhoid.
Oh yeah, they
And
don't.
the food handler is one of the reasons that are major cause for typhoid. So we are coming with the multinational in a market with the typhoid vaccine for the food handlers.
So you are coming to retail too? Huh?
Yeah. So we want the Coca-Cola, Pepsi, Nestle,
To
the multinationals to
yes.
get their staff vaccinated.
So why no one in Pakistan is making these biological vaccines and serums?
Especially because the vaccines for children must be a WHO pre-qualified, and the WHO pre-qualification is a Hercules task for the local manufacturers.
Is there any this qualified pharma company here in Pakistan?
Unfortunately, there is no WHO pre-qualified pharma.
Not a single one.
WHO, not a single one pre-qualified manufacturer in Pakistan.
So that's the major problem that we are importing.
Yes, that is the major cause. That
Ooh, so I wish good luck to my pharma industry. Do you
Yeah.
think that Pakistani pharma, any of them, could be the part of this qualified program of WHO?
Yes, as we discussed off camera, that there is a
Chance.
there is a chance, but the Indian lobbying
It's very strong.
Yeah, the international politics is involved in the WHO certification.
Oh.
So unfortunately, the China, Pakistan, they are suffering
A lot.
from this certification.
Now, where do you see M&M Pharma 5 years down the road?
I wish and I will work hard to get it be the largest importer of vaccines in Pakistan. Very
इसके
soon.
साथ कुछ और अभी कमी है, वो तो आप बन जाएंगे. इसके साथ और क्या करना चाहेंगे? कोई नया डिवीजन लेके आएंगे?
I want to be
कुछ
in
आपने-
I want to be in the healthcare sector. I want
Okay.
to have some diagnostic centers in
Oh, yes, we were just-
diagnostic centers in Pakistan with the high tech machines and high tech technology.
Now, no more M&M. Now let's speak about Adil Munawwar. You are so young and you have achieved this so much at this young age. क्यों किया? कैसे किया आपने? आपके अंदर ऐसी क्या 3 चीजें थी जिसकी वजह से you started with no investment and within 15-20 years आपने एक empire खड़ा कर दिया.
In 2012, I was a distributor
ठीक है.
for Arsons,
Okay.
for Keraway, for Glades, for Firosans, and I worked for them on service charges without any investment.
अच्छा.
So I get them institutional orders, and I get my commission. So gradually, I just see the gap. When I work and roam around in the offices, I see that what product will be the product with less competition. So I find that the vaccines are the products in which there is a monopoly and only 1 or 2 manufactured globally.
Oh.
So and one thing जो कहते हैं कि एक आप अपने लिए decide करते हैं, एक अल्लाह आपके लिए decide करता है. तो so God has decided
तो 3
best
आप
for
में
me.
ऐसी क्या बातें थी? Why you think?
I think the sincerity.
With work.
Yeah.
अपने
कुछ भी
साथ या
करें
काम के साथ?
कुछ भी करें ऑनेस्टली करें.
हाय, ये बड़ा मुश्किल काम है.
Yeah.
दूसरा?
The second thing which I believe is the parents,
Oh.
the support from family.
माँ की दुआएं लग जाती है.
फैमिली, बाप है, माँ है, भाई है, बहनें हैं. So be good with your family. अगर आप उनके साथ नहीं अच्छे तो बाहर के अच्छे होंगे. So ये एक
ये
ही
तो
है.
आपने छक्के वाली बात कर दी.
नहीं,
तीसरी
genuine बात है, genuine बात. ये genuine बात है कि so
तीसरा?
commitment or stay with your words. In business, your image is the only thing which can lead you to a great success. अगर आप एक दफा धोखा करेंगे किसी अपने क्लाइंट के साथ, अपने किसी के साथ,
आप भूल जाएंगे, वो नहीं भूलेगा.
yes. So the sincerity with your work and your the trust the department had on us and we had on our global partners. So this is a trust that आपको आगे लेकर जाता है.
आपका मिशन विजन अब क्या है? आपका विजन क्या है जिंदगी का? आप कह रहे हैं जिसमें कंपनी भी है और आपकी अपनी जात भी है. कहाँ देखते हैं आप अपने आप को?
This is a difficult question. I just want that myself to be humble, and I really want, as our logo is to serve humanity. The M&M Pharma logo is to serve humanity. So I believe that these are material things come along. It is part and parcel. So you must serve the humanity. You must serve the mankind.
See, but everybody loves material things.
It is a part and parcel. अगर आप बिजनेस कर रहे हैं वैक्सीन का, सो अगर पैसे तो वैसे भी आने हैं, सो जस्ट वर्क फॉर द गुड ना, बच्चों को बचाएं बीमारियों से. ठीक है ना, उस पर आप स्वाब तो मिलेगा ना, पैसे तो आने ही है.
सवाब भी मिल जाएगा और पैसे भी आ
नियत.
जाएंगे.
सो एवरी एक्शन है ना, वो नियत पे होता है. तो नियत अच्छी रखें कि यार
So
चलो.
how do you handle stress and anxiety?
By I'm very you can say that it's very difficult to handle stress once you are dealing with the institutions.
हाँ,
With
large
the
institutions.
government. Sometimes
कोई बंदो
I
शंदो
believe in 2012 when I started work, I just waited for 5-6 hours in front of some offices to get appointment and get in the secretaries and this. So patients come with the time, and I believe nowadays after a decade, I'm patient.
Do you watch Netflix?
Yes, I watch.
Oh,
I do.
2 seasons on your, like you loved watching it. 2 seasons या कोई 2 movies?
One was I'm very bad at names. I just forgot the names.
Okay.
I watched it every weekend. So I just, 2 seasons. अभी मेरे ज़हन में नहीं आ रहा.
अच्छा, ठीक है. किताबें पढ़ते हैं आप?
Books पढ़ता हूँ. Yes.
2 किताबें जो आपके दिल के पास हैं.
Rich Dad and Poor Dad. The one recently and the other was biographies, autobiography by the Musharraf and the Line of Fire.
You did?
Imran Khan, Malala. I read all these books.
Okay, all right. Okay, so what is success to you?
In a professional term, with the balance between your credit and debit side.
Wow. Okay, or in personal term?
In personal life, the balance between personal and business life. the balance in credit, debit, and in personal your life. आपने बच्चे.
How do you manage this work-life balance then?
It's difficult. No, it's unbalanced, imbalanced. Yeah, it is imbalanced because you have to work along. There's no timing in the business. So once you go at 10 a.m., 10 p.m., 11 p.m. So
what advice will you give to 25-year-old Adil Munawwar?
Be patient.
वो तो आप थे?
No, I was not.
अब हैं आप?
अब हैं.
अच्छा, अब आप में पेशेंस आ गया.
So be patient.
दो चीजें जो आप अपने अंदर अब चाहते हैं, which you feel that you are lacking, and you want to improve in yourself.
I want to be more relaxed. I want to be a more stress free.
Okay.
Yeah.
और कुछ और? बस
I just got मुझे stress बहुत जल्दी हो जाता है, so I want to relax, just relax.
जिंदगी सुकून में चाहिए.
My brain is working like टक 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 कुछ ना कुछ जो है ना.
ये भी बड़ी प्यारी बात है. बहुत सारे लोगों के पास बहुत सारे ख्यालात होते हैं, बट करने को कुछ नहीं होता. What is success to you? पहले success. What is happiness to you? Success आपने बता दिया, अब खुशी किधर से?
Happiness is the moment with my family and friends. Simple, the fun. No business friends.
दोस्त भी?
No
Not
business.
only family,
friends.
ओहो, आप हैं फिर वो यारों के यार वाला
ये दोस्त ही बता सकते हैं.
अच्छा.
तो क्या? And I believe friends beyond the business, this pharma industry. मेरे कोई भी जो best friends हैं फार्मा से नहीं है.
फार्मा से नहीं है.
मतलब मेरी इस इंडस्ट्री से.
दोस्तों के लिए आप क्या दो काम कर सकते हैं जो मर्जी हो जाए कर लेंगे? पैसा लगा सकते हैं दोस्तों पे. वक्त लगा सकते हैं, कुर्बानी दे सकते हैं.
yes.
देख ले सोच के.
हाँ दोस्तों के लिए अब जो है ना.
चले, गाना याद आ गया मुझे, एक बताती हूँ अभी आपको. योर मैसेज ऑफ होप एंड ऑप्टिमिज्म फॉर यूथ. हमारे बहुत सारे बच्चे जब आपकी कहानी सुनेंगे तो कहेंगे हम भी जल्दी से अदील मुनव्वर बन जाएं.
बिलीव ऑन योरसेल्फ, वर्क हार्ड, एंड डिटर्मिनेशन इज द की टू सक्सेस. इफ यू चेंजिंग योर पाथ एवरी डे, एवरी मंथ, कभी आज ये कर लिया, कभी कुछ कर लिया, सो यू एंड अप नोवेयर. डिटर्मिनेशन, जो फोकस करें एंड देन अचीव इट.
Thank you so much, Adil. It was pleasure having you here, because having such a young age CEO and handling government and then international bodies and international suppliers on the other side is definitely a very difficult job. What I've learned from you is your patience and your commitment to keep on going. और आगे से आगे सोचना. तो मुझे तो लगता है अभी आपका स्टार्ट है. Inshallah there will be more success to you in M&M Pharma. Thank you so much.